So if you wear retainers, aligners, dentures, or night guards, this is something you need to see. This Echo Basic Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner doesn't just rinse, it deep cleans. It uses powerful ultrasonic waves to shake loose plaque, odor, and buildup you can't scrub away. And with the built-in UV light, it kills 99% of germs for true peace of mind. Also comes with 4 cleaning modes: ultrasonic plus UV light, pulse plus UV light, ultrasonic only, and a 10-minute deep cleanse. So as you're preparing to clean whatever your device is, you want to take the container and fill it up with water, as you can see. So I am going to be cleaning my night guard that I use for my dental work to get some of the yellowing and the stains off of it. All you want to do is take the tweezers that come with your kit, place it into the water, and it even comes with 2 openings so you can clean your toothbrushes. So once you've decided what you're going to clean, you choose what cleaning mode you want to clean. And then once it's complete, all you have to do is open up the lid. It also gives you a drip tray here that sits right on the edge of the bowl, and you can place your device. Wow, look at how clean this device is. You obviously have the option of just letting it dry here on the rack, or you can just wipe it off and then use it as you see fit. Pour the water out and get ready to use it for the next time, whether it's jewelry, whether it's a night guard, or whether it's a denture.